car like this is strong because the two ends are connected together by a roof and a floor. Two pieces of metal. Now, if you take the roof away, you end up with the big heavy engine here connected to the steering and suspension gubbins there by just the floor. That's like having two bricks joined together by a playing card. It's going to be all wobbly.
To get round the problem, Audi has fitted the Spyder with lots of strengthening beams. Now that sounds fine, but it's added 100 kilograms to the weight. Porsche, meanwhile, offers the Turbo with active engine mounts, which make the engine part of the car's backbone. Sounds intriguing, but has it worked?
In a word, yes. This is a million times better than the old 911 turbo convertible. Mind you, that isn't saying much because other things that are a million times nicer than the old car include tuberculosis and being on fire, stuff like that. However, even though it is a big improvement, it is heavier than the coupe, and despite everything, still not as rigid. And just knowing that, it sort of spoils everything.
So, what about the Audi?
The hardtop R8 V10 was one of the best cars I drove last year. And actually, in one important respect, this is even better. That noise.